नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में हैं। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। ऑन ट्यूसडे द यूएस मार्केट सॉ अ चॉपी सेशन एंडिंग मिक्स्ड। द डाउ edged up 0.28%. The S&P 500 closed nearly flat with a 0.03% gain, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq slipped 0.29%. For the third consecutive trading session, the Brent oil ended on a positive note. Also, it has surged above its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the 200-day EMA zone of 77 to $77.2 will act as a crucial hurdle for Brent oil. The US dollar index ended on a negative note on Tuesday. Going ahead, the zone of 108.8 to 109 will be the crucial hurdle for the index. On the downside, the zone of 107.5 to 107.3 will act as an immediate support for the index. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty experienced a sharp sell-off on Tuesday, closing below the 23,100 mark with a significant decline of 1.32%. However, the real pressure was evident in the broader market, where the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 and Nifty Small-Cap 100 indices took a severe hit, plummeting by over 3%. Notably, the Nifty Mid-Cap 100 breached its recent swing low, signaling weakness in the mid-cap segment and amplifying concerns about the market breadth. From a technical standpoint, Nifty is currently trading below its short and long-term moving averages, indicating a sustained downtrend. Furthermore, the daily RSI has given a bearish crossover which suggests a limited upside for now. आगे जाके 22,980 to 22,950 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 22,950 के लेवल के नीचे स्लिप हो जाता है तो अगला सपोर्ट 22,750 लेवल पर प्लेस्ड है। ऊपर की तरफ रेजिस्टेंस लोअर जोन में शिफ्ट हो गया है 23,200 to 23,230 लेवल पर। On the derivatives front, the February futures dipped by 1.33%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 1.63%, which indicates short buildup. The 23,100 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 23,200 strike. On the put side, the 23,000 has a substantial open interest followed by a 22,900 strike. For the weekly series, OI-PCR is at 0.53, while for the February monthly series, OI-PCR is at 0.99. Talking about Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty slipped below its 20-day EMA level on Tuesday, and the daily RSI has given a bearish crossover, which is a bearish sign. आगे जाके 49,100 to 49,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। ऊपर की तरफ 49,650 to 49,700 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also witnessed a sharp correction of 1.32% on Tuesday, and it has formed a sizable bearish candle on a daily scale. आगे जाके 75,800 to 75,700 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। ऊपर की तरफ 76,800 to 76,900 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.58%. And the open interest of the current series has also dipped by 7.3%. The 76,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 77,000 strike. On the put side, the 76,000 has a substantial open interest followed by the 75,500 strike. For the weekly series, OI-PCR is at 0.66. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX surged by nearly 3% on Tuesday from the recent low of 13.15. It has surged by 13% in just 4 trading sessions, which indicates that the overall market volatility has decreased. Going ahead, the zone of 15 to 15.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index. The advanced decline ratio was largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, technically Nifty consumer durables, FMCG, media, healthcare, pharma, PSU bank, realty, oil and gas, CPSE and PSE space are likely to underperform the frontline indices. Talking about the FI-DI data, the FI is sold to the tune of 4,486 crore, while the DI is bought to the tune of 4,000 crore. The FI's long-short ratio for index futures is at 14.25, as on a net basis they sold 10,962 index futures. That's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.